Let me bring up the lady killer himself. Soju, can you give some context around why have active staking rewards at all? It's not, a commonly used kind of vehicle across. Most people just allow you to stake and then fuck off. So what is the kind of thought behind active staking rewards?
Yes, on other chains, on Ethereum and stuff, and DAOs and governance where it's more advanced compared to things on Solana, you can't really make active staking rewards work there because the cost of voting is so high, and eventually your rewards will actually be smaller than the voting gas you pay. When we launched vote.jup.ag on Solana, we realized that we had this distributed and powerful retail user base. Let's say, like, for example, the 950,000 addresses that got the airdrop at the initial launch. These are mostly retail users, and we really needed a way to rally them behind the core mission, the core goals, and make them active in our governance. So we really wanted to create this innovative reward mechanism to reward these active participants in Jupiter DAO and get more voting power and more Jup into the hands of these people, and sort of grow the core community. When we launched Jup on the LG Launchpad, we collected 1% of fees, 100 million Jup, to the community, and we sort of use this 100 million Jup to bootstrap ASR for the first 2 quarters. But we are about to do the first claim, which is 50 million Jup, and we'll do one more, which is another 50 million Jup. We will have the ASR renewal vote, which will sort of extend this further beyond the first 2 quarters.
I'm getting some breaking news. Breaking news on the ASR front.
Breaking news, you'll be able to see your allocations no later than Friday.
To clear up a few questions that I've seen in the chat here, what is it actually based on? It's a combination of your voting activity and your voting power.
Yeah, the ASR allocation is determined by your voting activity. So if you have 1 Jup stake and you vote 9 times, you will receive rewards. You will receive a share of 9 Jup. So you have to vote and participate in the DAO. You can't just stake. And if you have already unstaked, you still get ASR rewards based on your past voting activity. Something that's quite important to know, because a very common question I get is, oh, I already withdrawn my Jup. Do I still get ASR rewards? The answer is you do. If you are currently unstaking, you can either wait for it to finish the unstake and then claim your ASR, which will then be staked, or you can cancel your unstake and your ASR will be added to your main stake. Both are options available to you. Yeah. This does not affect partial unstaking. So if you are partially unstaking at half of a Jup, you can still claim your ASR. The ASR will be added to the Jup that's not being unstaked. This is the most exciting thing coming out right now for the community. And once this is done, and once your Jup is all in your state wallets, we will then be doing the 3 proposals that Mel was talking about.
I think that answered most of the questions that were coming through in the chat. I saw somebody said, what if you staked and did not vote? You would not be eligible for ASR. You have to be actively staking and voting on DAO governance in order to be involved there.